Hello everybody and welcome back to RainBro Crafts. My name is Colton and today I will be making for you our soap called Green Elixir. This is of course part of our Wicked collection and it is inspired by the green elixir that the wizard brings and gives to Elphaba's mom, which potentially is what made her green. Spoiler alert there. This is one of the soaps that we added kind of last minute to the collection due to some fan request for the scent that we're using. This is our coconut oil free bar, and we've been trying to play around and add some fun fragrances and things to that collection. This fragrance oil is Cannabis and Cashmere from Brambleberry. It has some earthiness from the cannabis fragrance. There's some patchouli in there as well, but there's also some notes from that cashmere fragrance that kind of bring it out of that kind of earthy scent that sometimes patchouli can have, and it makes it a little more warm and cozy. This soap actually already has sold out, but we will be bringing this fragrance oil back at least in April for our collection that month. So if this is a scent you love, stay tuned for that because it will be coming back, we promise. Even though it is one of my least favorite scents, if the customers like it and want it and buy it, we will bring it back. So I'll blitz this up really quickly. One thing with our coconut oil free soap base, and I think I mentioned it in the last coconut oil free soap video that I made, is that it takes forever to get to trace. I have been blending this little container here for what seems like an hour before it gets to the texture I want. It also could be due to the fact that the room I'm in when I'm making this is a little chilly. We will pour off half of the batter, and to the other half of the batter we are going to color that a green color to kind of harken back to the Green Elixir color, just because it's in the name. And then I will just scrape out the remainder of that green color, and we will just stir that up really quickly with our scraper there. I didn't want to stick blend this because I want to do a drop swirl, and I want the two textures to be pretty similar, the uncolored soap base and the colored soap base. If you have kind of a difference in consistencies, you're not going to have those nice, pretty, big, kind of flowing drop swirl color blocks. That is what I was going for. We then will scrape out the container really quickly to get all of that soap batter out because we are going to be done with this soap container here. Once that has kind of set up for a minute or two, I'm going to go in with our bar spoon and do some spoon swoops here just to give a little added texture to the top. I had in mind the inside of this soap bar, but the top of the soap bar is what I didn't have a great idea for. So I'm just doing our kind of traditional spoon swoop mohawk technique here. And then to add a little extra kind of magic to the top of this, I am going in with some gold mica in an atomizer to add a nice kind of gold sheen to the top of this to play reference back to the Yellow Brick Road. So we have the Green Elixir, Yellow Brick Road, very Wizard of Oz. It's hard to see on camera, but in person it is there, I do promise. The lights overhead and the wet soap batter kind of combat the shimmeriness from the gold mica. And then we will tuck this away for 24 hours, and then it is time to unmold and slice up. The Cannabis Cashmere fragrance oil did discolor to this like yellowy color, which I actually was hoping it would do because it makes it a little more like mysterious and magical, what I think the Green Elixir from the Wicked book would be like. And then there's no slab slitting here because this is a single loaf, but we'll line this up on Dorothy, our multi-bar cutter, and slice away. and we get to see the inside of the soap bar, keeping in mind that this will discolor to that darker goldish color once this has set for about a day or so. It kind of takes that long for it to discolor all the way through, at least to the parts that are exposed with the air. But that is it. That is our Green Elixir soap, which was for sale starting February 1st online or in person, but it did sell out. But like I mentioned, stay tuned and you can get this fragrance in a different colorway in April. Thanks so much for watching. I want to give a big shout out to our subscribers. They get soaps or candles each month from us. We also added a bubble balm tier as well, so if you're interested in any of that, go on over to our website to check out details on that. We appreciate each and every one of them so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below your favorite Wicked character, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell icon as well so you can see and get notified of when we release new videos. Thanks. Bye.